Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a brilliant inventor named Elijah McCoy and how his amazing invention, the automatic lubricator for steam engines, changed the world. Have you ever heard the saying, the real McCoy? Well, it comes from his story. So let's dive in and learn all about him. Elijah McCoy was born on May 2, 1844 in Colchester, Ontario, Canada. His parents were George and Mildred McCoy. They had escaped from slavery in the United States through the Underground Railroad and found freedom in Canada. Elijah grew up in a family that valued hard work, education, and the belief that anything is possible. Even as a child, Elijah loved figuring out how things worked. He was curious and always asked lots of questions. He would take apart small machines and put them back together just to see if he could make them work better. His curiosity wasn't just a hobby. It became a way of life, and it set the stage for the amazing work he would do in the future. Elijah's parents often encouraged him to dream big. They told him stories about resilience and hope, which motivated him to use his talents to make a difference in the world. Little did they know that their son's ideas would revolutionize industries worldwide. When Elijah was a teenager, his family moved to the United States and settled in Michigan. Elijah wanted to study engineering, so his parents sent him to Scotland, where he trained as a mechanical engineer. He worked hard and learned everything he could about machines. His education in Scotland was a big deal, as it gave him the skills and knowledge to create groundbreaking inventions later in life. After finishing his studies, Elijah returned to the U.S. But back then it was difficult for black people to get jobs as engineers. Despite his qualifications, companies would not hire him for engineering roles. Instead, Elijah got a job as a fireman and oiler for the Michigan Central Railroad. His job was to keep the steam engines running smoothly by oiling their moving parts. It wasn't the career he had envisioned, but it gave him an up-close look at the problems faced by steam engines. Elijah's determination didn't falter. He kept observing, learning, and dreaming of solutions that could improve the machines he worked on every day. While working on the railroad, Elijah noticed a problem. Steam engines needed to be stopped frequently so workers could oil the moving parts. This was slow, inconvenient, and caused delays in transportation and shipping. Elijah thought, there must be a better way. So he got to work. Using his training and ingenuity, he invented the automatic lubricator. His device allowed steam engines to oil themselves while they were running, saving time and making the trains much more efficient. It was a game changer. This invention didn't just help trains. It was soon adapted for use on ships and factories and on other types of machinery. Elijah's automatic lubricator became a crucial part of industrial progress during a time when machines were transforming the world. Elijah's invention was so good that people started asking for the real McCoy to make sure they were getting his high-quality device. His lubricator became a must-have for any company that relied on steam engines or heavy machinery. This made industries run faster and smoother, changing the way the world worked and setting new standards for efficiency and reliability. Imagine a world where machines didn't have to stop and start repeatedly. Elijah's work made transportation quicker, factories more productive, and even helped reduce costs. His invention also paved the way for future developments in mechanical engineering and automation. Elijah McCoy didn't stop inventing after his automatic lubricator. Over his lifetime, he received 57 patents for his inventions. These included designs for lawn sprinklers and ironing boards, showing his versatility as an inventor. His hard work and creativity inspired people everywhere, showing them that anyone can make a difference if they believe in themselves and never give up. In his later years, Elijah's achievements were widely recognized, and his legacy began to inspire a new generation of inventors. Today, people honor him not only for his inventions but also for his courage and resilience in the face of discrimination. Today, Elijah McCoy is remembered as one of the greatest inventors in history. His story teaches us to stay curious, solve problems, and always aim to be the real McCoy in whatever we do. Thank you for joining me to learn about this incredible inventor. Keep dreaming, keep learning, and who knows, maybe one day your ideas will change the world too. If you like this video and would like to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment, share with others, and subscribe to our channel.